Hey guys. Oh, so can you tell that everything's different? Because I told you I was gonna build like this. Yep, look at this.
My bitch too far.
I'm so next Nigerian witness.
I don't need them. Put a drop shot with a Keita. Two-seater.
New bitch on top of my AP. New freedom. I walk up in my bands. I put my bitch to a chip when I land.
Bitch too far in the piece.
Hey.
I don't need them.
Hey guys. Hey. So as you guys can tell, it's quality good as shit. It's quite good as... This is not swearing, but this quality is really good. And you know why this quality is really good? Because your girl, she... Oh, okay. Okay. I got a new camera. This is what I got. The Canon EOS M10, as you can see. This is what it looks like. This is how it came in a box. And this is how it looks when it's all set up, basically. So yeah, it has a flip screen, so if I am looking up, it's because I'm looking at myself, because I'm just gorgeous enough to be looked at. I'm kind of using like boxes as a tripod because I don't have a tripod, and I still haven't ordered one yet. I don't know why. So the prices are really giving me like epilepsy. It's just really affecting me, because it's really affecting me. It's affecting the way I breathe and the way how I function in life. When prices are too high, I don't know how to act. I just don't know how to act. But yeah, so
I have okay.
it's okay. But yeah, I'm going out, obviously. Just gonna straighten up my hair because I washed it. I washed my hair, so I'm gonna straighten it just a little bit. I'm not one that likes hair to be dead straight. It's okay, sometimes I like my hair to be dead straight, but then sometimes it's like I like it to look a bit rough. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of straightening, try and make this top bit just a bit more flatter, hair a bit more flat, and then we're gonna go out. Guys, we're going out. Where we're going today? We're going to buy some paint for my room. Finally painting my room. I have ordered some curtains. I'm gonna get new curtains really soon, but they're not gonna be up until my room is painted. So once my room has been painted, I will put the curtains up. So yeah, and then also gonna buy some. We're gonna go do some food shopping. I might pierce my nose today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pierce my nose today. I will see, because the person I wanted to pierce my nose today, the person who I wanted to follow me to pierce my nose, she has work. It's my girlfriend, if you guys didn't know. I'm in a same-sex relationship. I'm joking, but no, it's one of my friends, Nyanjay, one of my really good friends. I don't think I've shown her my channel before, but yeah, she's gonna well, I wanted her to follow me to pierce my nose, but because she has work and she doesn't finish work till 6:30, obviously piercing shops close like around 6 over here in South London. So I don't know if I'm gonna pierce it by myself or if I'm gonna wait for the weekend, which is tomorrow, to come. Because I'm going out tomorrow, so I don't know if I'm gonna let her I don't know if I'm gonna go tomorrow, because normally whenever I'm going out in the night, I like to relax for the whole day, get my energy up, you know. So how can I step out my house, guys, and this is the first thing that I see, and he's just like, he or she's just sitting there. Like, how does one get past? Oh my gosh, guys, we got some paint. I'm so excited. Look how big this is. I want this pure grey. Pure grey with what? This is what I'm going to paint my bedroom. One wall's going to be pure grey. Another is going to be, huh? She needs to not follow you. And then which purple should I do? Or yellow? Happy yellow. Blue. Which colour? Happy yellow. Which yellow? Or purple? Maybe a blue.
Purple.
This powder purple. Or wild orchard.
Wait, is that how it's gonna look, or is that people's dirty hands?
I think that's people's dirty hands.
Okay.
Okay, so can you find? Can you see? I mean,
Powder purple.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, put it in
Do
there.
you not trust me?
I'll trust you.
Do you not trust me?
Shut up. Let's have what. Okay, I don't know what you're doing. Put it in there.
It's too big for me to do my vlogger stuff.
Okay, and then put the. Stop it, man. Pure grey. Look in there. Do you think that'll be enough for one wall?
No.
You know what? I'm gonna believe it like this. Two coats applied. Okay, should I get another one? I don't know if I should buy two. I don't know if I should buy two. You guys have seen how big my room is. Should I buy two paints each?
Trust me. Two.
I didn't really have £44 to spend.
I didn't know that you wanted to be serious about your room.
This is what bloggers do, they leave it. They'll leave it on the side like this. And then you guys know I'm going vegan, and this is what I've bought already. I got some kale, some kiwi, some avocado, green beans, broccoli, I'm gonna buy another one, mushrooms, bean sprout. To buy some fruits, but these oranges £1.19. Where's my mom? My mom will be able to tell me if these are expensive. I feel like these are expensive, so I might have to go to like a market. Look at all my mail, guys. Bitch, your bitch is serious. Vegan. I bought soup. I bought loads and loads of soup. Bought some snacks. This one I'm going to be snacking on. I read it. It's vegan friendly. Vegan friendly. Got some bread, but this is rye bread. Rye bread is really, really good for you guys. Yeah. Hey guys. So everything I bought, excluding these three, cost £32, which is really good. I'm going to make that last me at least. I'm going to try and make that last me at least a whole month. Yeah, a whole month. So it's not at least 3 weeks. I'll be doing food preps as well, so hey guys, meeting INJ at Tesco's, and she went to the wrong Tesco's. I've waited here for like a good 30 minutes now. So she's getting another bus to me, so I have to wait out here for like another year for her. And it's so cold, I'm so cold, I'm so tired. Luckily it's night time though, because buses will run a bit more faster, a bit more smoother than in the daytime. But I'm just sitting out here, waiting, freezing my arms off. I feel more confident vlogging when I have an actual camera than when I have an iPad, because the iPad's so massive. Hello. But when I have a camera, it's just like, it just feels more natural, you know? Even though people still stare, like I don't care. I'm not gonna see them again, so it's like, okay, you know. Yeah. With my NJ, you can't really see her, it's kind of blurry. Oh, just missed my bus. Hi NJ. This is a Tesco I always tell you guys about. The big one, that's like an airport. I love it so much. So just left my NJ and I'm on my way home, waiting for the bus, which comes in 13 minutes. I really want to take off this. Wig. I have no decorum and I'm so tempted to take off this wig. You guys don't understand. It's really pulling on my hair. Sometimes in life we just have to. Because at the end of the day, no one's buying me new edges when this wig rips off the rest of my edges. Look, Casey's it's already going. I had to do it. No one's gonna buy me new edges. No one's gonna buy me new edges. So it had to be done. I don't care. Okay, so these are the snacks that I bought for my veganness. I got some hummus, which I bought carrot sticks earlier. I got some popcorn. This is vegan friendly. It's a suitable for vegans there. This is also vegan friendly. This is a mango sorbet. Rice cakes, vegan friendly. Breadsticks. This is something that I'm going to be snacking on when I get peckish. Not after dinner though, like in the middle of the day. And I don't want to, you know, eat some more food. I can just snack on these things. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end today's vlog here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I am really tired, and yeah.
And you could get fired. Who cares? I'm sick of this place. I want to go somewhere new. That's it. I'm the ward master. Yeah, Steven, I know. I can take us on vacation. Somewhere warm and beautiful and magical for just the two of you.
This camera of mine, it doesn't want to let me shine. No, this little camera of mine, it doesn't want to let me shine. This little camera of mine, it doesn't want to let me shine. Let me shine, shine, shine. First, I'm going to work this into my skin. I'm gonna have to cooperate this into my skin. I didn't even tell you guys what I'm going today. So I'm going out for a birthday dinner today. I have to playing with my LAX and my keys in my car again. Yes, I'm going for a birthday dinner today. And yeah, by the looks of where I'm going, the place seems to look very, very posh, very fancy. And I have heels, right? But I don't want to wear heels because I've never actually worn heels out of my house. I've only worn heels inside my house, you know? They're the ones when you're just practicing, like your walk and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. And I've got this outfit, but like the breasticle area is really tight. Like not really tight, but it's just like oh my gosh, you know. So I don't know what to do. I love a good cocaine face. I don't think you guys understand. I love a good cocaine face. I love it. I love a good cocaine face. Okay, so this is what I might wear. I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually go through and wear this dress. What do you guys think? Because the breast area is really tight, but this is like the biggest size that they had, so I can't really return it for a new one, you know, for a bigger size. I don't know. It's even dirty. Yeah, got a bit of makeup on there. I'm so reborn. I'm moving forward. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Ain't no special. sweating. Look at my hair. Okay, so I'm at the restaurant. It's called Black and Blue. It's very, very cute here. Very cute. This is me. I decided to change because that dress that I showed you guys was just too short for a girl. And yeah, I couldn't do it. This toilet's really cute. They have like, I think four individual toilets and they're very big, very cozy. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait till I get my own place now. I'm sweating. Okay, give us an OT.
OOTD. Alright.
I can't even see it. Oh, okay, go on.
So what we start with? My shoes?
Yeah.
My shoes are, you know, old school Vans.
Okay.
Black and white.
Yeah.
I get them from Vans.
Okay.
Get them from Office.
The jeans.
Get them from ASOS. Oh, the jeans are from Betches.
Oh, money, yes.
Oh, I think they were like 25.
Okay, okay. And
then the top, my little pirate off the shoulder.
okay.
This is from Boohoo.
Oh.
And then that's the outfit of the day. All the jewelry was like gifts, but there's a link to something similar that was like, you know. I made myself sick.
It's birthday girl Nora. She's so shy.
Why is she shy? Okay.
Okay, give it to us, ma. Oh.
Busy tonight.
Wait, hold on, let me just get into the video light. When I forget to the video light. So yeah, I'm home and I'm bold and I'm going to end today's vlog. Oh my gosh, look at my eyelashes. Wow. Anyways, I'm going to end today's vlog here. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you guys